Hi, my name is Patrick Corder. Today we are in the beautiful showroom of MarineMax Stuart, and I'll be doing a quick walkthrough video on this 175 Sportfish by Scout Boats. It's a 2024 model. Beautiful Scout white color that we have here on the hull. Equipped with a 90 horse Yamaha. Start here on the transom. Got an easy boarding ladder with a bracketed step to get access on and off the boat pretty easy. We'll come over here to the starboard side. You're going to notice some rod holders here. We do have some on the port side. So 4 rod holders on the back. Cleats towards here the transom. Real easy access storage compartments. And on the other side is the storage, or you can use it as a live well, whichever you prefer. Access to the bilge right there in the center, so real quick and easy to get down in there if you need to check on something. Multi-position helm seat here, so you can move it forward if you want to talk to the people in the back, have more of a communal layout, or you can even move it into the middle position where someone can still sit and you have a back standing bolster for the captain. Igloo cooler behind. Beautiful aluminum bimini top here, so real nice and tall, covers up the helm area pretty well. You have Yamaha smart gauges, adjustable steering, designated storage, purse, wallet, keys, phone, and then you do have some space above the helm station or where that glass area is if you want to mount a MFD, Garmin, Raymarine, Simrad. More rod holder storage here at the midship. Again, recessive midship cleats. And then this bow area is going to be really nice and unique to the Scout model. You have cooler storage here, as well as a nice forward-facing bow seat. Huge cushion up here with storage underneath. And then something that you're not going to see on every 17-footer, to ease up and free up some more space, you have a designated anchor locker, and then you have a trolling motor pre-rigged. Some more cleats up here at the bow, rod holders here, and then area for your bow light. It's a gorgeous boat overall, really versatile, so you can fish it, or if you want to go out to the sandbar with your family and friends, you have that access and plenty of seating for a 17-foot boat. If you'd like to see this boat in person or schedule a sea trial, you can give us a call at 772-287-4495. Again, my name is Patrick Corder with MarineMax in Stuart. Thank you for watching.